If you're searching for a learning management system, Absorb LMS might be on your radar. Most people get this wrong. They assume all LMS platforms are the same. The surprising truth is that Absorb LMS focuses on creating engaging, intuitive learning experiences for employees, customers, and partners alike. During my experience using Absorb LMS, I found the interface to be clean and modern. Learners can navigate courses easily, track progress, and access training from desktop or mobile devices. The platform supports various content types including videos, quizzes, documents, and SCORM-compliant modules, giving you flexibility in how you deliver training. One standout feature is the reporting dashboard. Admins can track course completions, learner engagement, and assessment results in real time. This makes it easy to measure training effectiveness and identify areas that need improvement. Absorb LMS also integrates with HR software, single sign-on systems, and e-commerce platforms, which is helpful if you're delivering training to external partners. On the flip side, the pricing isn't transparent on the website, so you'll need to request a custom quote based on your number of users and features. For smaller businesses or those new to LMS platforms, this can feel a bit intimidating. However, the platform's robust features often justify the investment for medium to large organizations. In conclusion, Absorb LMS is a powerful, user-friendly platform for delivering and managing training at scale. It's particularly strong in analytics and content flexibility, making it a solid choice for businesses serious about learning and development. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest LMS reviews and insights on effective online training platforms.